Why should you put onions in your socks before going to bed? Did you know that according to the experts, the bottom of your feet contains powerful and direct access points to the internal organs in the human body? Well, yes, and you should also know that the Chinese medicine calls them meridians, and they represent pathways to each organ within your body. Note, some people are skeptical about these beliefs, but the good thing is that many people who understand Chinese medicine know that the meridian system is very closely linked with the nervous system. Yes, and you should also know that there is a great number of different nerve endings located on the feet, approximately 7,000 meridians, which can be linked directly to different organs. These meridians act as a powerful electric circuits within the body, but are often dormant as we mostly cover our feet with footwear. Stimulating these meridians is very important for our body to function healthily. But unfortunately, the truth is that these points are often dormant since we wear shoes and don't use acupuncture in order to encourage the meridians or nerves. This is the main reason why walking barefoot is highly recommended, because it will help you stimulate the meridians on the bottom of your feet, as well as to ground yourself with the earth's negative iron field. Therefore, the feet are probably the best place for action. Here's how you can do it. Take an onion, red or white, and cut it into thin and flat slices. Make sure it's an organic onion to avoid any side effects of pesticides like fungal infections. Place the onion slice in your socks under your foot like a platform and sleep as you usually do. As you sleep, the healing properties of the onions will be absorbed by the feet, and this will help in stimulating the meridians. Onions are considered a natural remedy for various illnesses and are known for their magical healing power. They are also known as natural air purifiers, and when applied directly to the skin, they tend to remove the bacteria and kill the germs. The phosphoric acid, the substance that irritates our eyes while chopping onions, present in onions helps in purifying the blood as it enters the blood vessels.